Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have very exciting topic. Do you love watching English movies, but do you spend all your time reading the subtitles at the bottom of the screen? It is frustrating, right? You want to look at the actors and the beautiful scenes, but you have to read the text. So do not worry. Today I will teach you how to understand English movies without subtitles. I have 5 simple tips for you. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Start with easy movies. Please do not start with a fast action movie or a difficult drama. Start with animated movies like cartoons. The voice actor in cartoons speak very clearly and slowly. Another good idea is to watch a movie you already know. Choose your favorite movie that you have already watched many times. You already know the story, so when you turn off the subtitles, your brain will not panic. You can just listen to the words. Okay? Tip number 2. Watch the body language. Language is not just about words. It is about how we look and move. Look at the actor faces. Are they smiling? Are they crying? Listen to the tone of their voice. Are they shouting? The music in the background also helps. Happy music means good things are happening. You can understand a lot of the story just by watching the actions. Tip number 3. Do not translate in your head. This is very big mistake. When you hear English, do not try to change it into your native language in your mind. Why? Because movies are fast. If you stop to translate one sentence, you will miss the next sentence. Just listen to the English. Let the words flow into your ears. Tip number 4. Use the 10-minute rule. Do not turn off the subtitles for a whole 2-hour movie on your first day. This is too hard. You will get tired. Instead, watch just the first 10 minutes without subtitles. Try your best to listen. Then turn the subtitles back on. Tomorrow, try 15 minutes. Practice a little bit every day. Tip number 5. Relax and accept that you will miss words. Guess what? Even native English speakers do not hear every single word in a movie. Sometimes the actors speak too softly. It is 100% okay if you do not understand a word. Do not stop the movie. Just keep watching. Your goal is to understand the main story, not every single word. Learning to listen takes time and practice. Be kind to yourself. You are doing a great job. Thank you so much for watching my lesson today. If you liked this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more easy English lessons. See you in the next video. Bye.